like for me, I just remember my wedding night and just my early nights, days with my husband.
Mm-hmm.
There was like this complete safety in that. Do you know what I mean? Like when I remember Lucy describing to me how she lost her virginity,
Mm-hmm.
it sounded scary,
Right.
It was really
Mm-hmm.
scary. It was, I think the way she described it, she wanted to it was like she wanted to just rub it out,
Right.
It was at university, somebody, probably alcohol involved, probably. And yes, and probably sort of like unclear as well as to what was going on and then what would happen. And then, but you're kind of going along with it. And then you have to meet that person the next day and there's no connection. You're supposed to have no connection. Whereas my experience of that same thing was the complete opposite. I'm in a secure home that my husband has provided for me. We are surrounded by gifts where, we're just committed to one another. There's safety,
Yes.
I can't convey that feeling of safety that was there.
Mm-hmm.
And I think from that safety
and possibility, right? Not just safety, but possibility, because of this new union, and with a common direction. You're married now, and you have a common direction that you're sharing. That's got to be a feeling of safety.
Definitely, but even like if we just take it from the physical side of it, the sexual side of it, even there's safety. Do you know what I mean? Like the safety to just to fully express yourself without any fear that
of being
in some
left, you're going to be
being left, or that thing will be used against you in any way,
right?
Because it's like nowadays, revenge porn, and I mean, there's so many risks that a girl is taking when she, indulges in that kind of behavior. But if you're married to the person, they see you as part of them. Like you're so they won't compromise you in that way.
Right.
But I think because we've divorced that, we've separated the feelings from the sexual side of things, and we've separated that kind of sanctity. We've removed the sanctity, and because of that, men also don't see it as something sacred.
Right. Yes, that's right.
And that's quite sad.
Yes, it is. It's a huge loss, and it isn't just between the man and the woman. It has to do with their children. Because
absolutely,
the children are the outcome of their love, and born in the safety of a family, of a mother and a father.
Did you know that?
Who knows what profound changes occur when there isn't that safety for a child? Who knows? That genetically, who knows? I'm sure it's deep. I'm sure it's very deep.